Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are learning AutoCAD or preparing for interviews, exams or design jobs, then this video is perfect for you. Today we are going to follow top AutoCAD MCQ questions and answers. The line command is one of the most basic but powerful tools in AutoCAD. Whether we are beginner or already working in design, mastering this command is very important. In this video, I will cover important multiple choice questions. So make sure you watch till the end because these questions can really boost your confidence and improve your AutoCAD skills. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AutoCAD and design related content. Let's get started. First question is, what is the shortcut command for line in AutoCAD? A. L, B. Li, C. Ln, D. Le. Answer is A. L, enter. The shortcut key for line command use L, enter. Question number 2. Which command is used to draw straight line in AutoCAD? A. P line, B line, C spline, D arc. Answer is B line. Question number 3 is, how many points are required to draw a line? A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. Answer is B 2. Question number 4. The line command creates A. Continuous object, B. Separate line segment, D. Curved object, D. Circle. The answer is B. Separate line segment. Question number 5 is, to end the line command we press A. Enter, B. Spacebar, C. Escape, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Question number 6. What does ortho mode do while drawing lines? A. Draw curves, B. Restrict to 0 degree and 90 degree, C. Increases thickness, D. Deletes lines. Answer is B. Restrict to 0 angle to 90 degree. Question number 7. Shortcut key to turn on off ortho mode. A. F7, B. F8, C. F9, D. F10. Answer is F8. Question number 8. What is the default angle measurement direction? B. Clockwise, B. Anticlockwise, A. Clockwise, B. Anticlockwise, C. Vertical, D. Random. Answer is anticlockwise. Question number 9. Inline command @10,0 means A. Absolute, B. Relative, C. Polar, D. None. Answer is relative. Question number 10. What does @10 less than 45 specify? A. Cartesian, B. Relative, C. Absolute, D. Angle only. Answer is relative polar. Question number 11. Which coordinate system is used by default? B. Relative, A. Relative, B. Polar, C. Absolute, D. Cylindrical. Answer is C. Absolute. Question number 12. The first point in line command is usually A. Ending point, B. Starting point, C. Midpoint, and D. Center. Answer B. Starting point. Question number 13. Which mode helps snap cursor to exact point? A. Grid, B. Snap, C. OSNAP, D. ORTHO. Answer is OSNAP. Question number 14. What happens if you press U? A. Undo last segment, B. Update, B. Unite, D. Exit. Answer is undo last segment. Question number 15. The line command can be repeated using A. Control L, B. Enter, C. Shift plus L, D. Alt plus L. The answer is enter. Question number 16. Which option closes the same? A. Join, B. Close, C. End, D. Finish. Answer is close. Question number 17. What type of input is 50, 50? A. Relative, B. Polar, C. Absolute Cartesian, D. Angle. Answer is absolute Cartesian. Question number 18. What does snap mode do? A. Draw circle, B. Restrict to grid, C. Joins line, D. Deletes. Answer is B. Restrict to grid. Question number 19. Dynamic input helps to A. Delete, B. Enter dimension, C. Change color, D. Zoom. Answer B. Enter dimension. Question number 20. The line command is located in A. Modify, B. Draw, C. Layers, B. Annotate. Answer B. Draw.